For my last iteration, I'm doing my chatbot on Python and Rasa, and yeah, this is the chatbot. The chatbot is called Rafiki, is for people with dementia, and in this iteration, when the user login, there are two things: is that the user need to register. The reason why the user need to register is because I need account for every user, and in every account of the user, I will pick the username with the user creating an account, and through the username I will create data of interaction of the user. This will help me in creating memory for specific uses. So example, when you start with the chatbot asks if you are a new user, then you need to register. If you are you are registered already, then you just need to log in. So like for this case, we can register one user and I can log in. So because I have an account already, I will log in. One thing is when you log in, it's taking a bit time. Okay. Yeah, the chatbot will ask for your name, and this is something that you'll just do
fill your username
for the first time you are logging in. Otherwise, if you're using it on your phone or any platform, then you just need to log in once. Then the chatbot will be remembering about you. So let's say Alan. Another thing is that I've used voice to text and text to voice because I'm dealing with people with dementia, and the probability that the old who have dementia will not be able to type. So I give them a chance to also input by word. So example, I can try that as well. So input will be Alan, and it's recorded.
your password, please.
Word HU.
Thanks, processing details. Successfully logged in. Hi Alan, if you were here first time, then please create a routine by pressing the routine button, otherwise click already done.
Immediately the user login, there is an option to create a routine. The reason why we are creating a routine, it's because there is a probability that these users will be forgetting about the time they need to log into the chatbot and maybe interact and refresh their memory in the chatbot. So by creating a routine, the routine will ask them, for example, let's create a routine, but for a user who have
What time are you mostly active?
You don't need to put. So the routine will be like, what time are you mostly active? That you like to be playing the game. I can say in the morning. Yeah.
How many hours can you train your memory a week?
A week I can train 1 hour every day, so 7 hours. 7 hours. 7 hours.
Please enter your email to complete the process.
alan@gmail.com.
Thanks, processing details. Routine stored for further use. I am here to help you training your memories. Click memory training, but if right now you are not in a mood for that, then click on chit chat.
All this information that I've collected for memory training, like how many hours I would like to be training my memory, are kept in a database record, and all this data will help in making the chatbot more personalized for the user as it is created in the memory. Through this, we'll be able also to send reminder to the user that, hi, it's 10 a.m. in the morning now. Have you played have you checked on your chatbot? Have you refreshed your memory? Have you done memory training? So this will be part of reminders. Then after that we'll have now we will enter the chatbot. In the chatbot we will have memory training. This is where we will have questions and answers for users to train their memory on different topics. We'll have the normal chit chat where, let's say, if users are bored or they need a friend, because one of the main reason for creating this chatbot is to create a friendly chatbot, a companion chatbot. So if you want to chat someone to chat with, I'm using deep learning to create this. You can enter and chat, and the chatbot will be giving answers. It will help to connect with family members. This will give caregivers and reminders. I'm still working on the game, so this one is still not working, but let's take a look at the memory training.
I am here to help you training your memories. Click memory training, but if right now you are not in a mood for that, then click on chit chat. Choose one topic of your choice for memory training.
So for memory training we have different topics, and choosing one topic, this is because most of dementia patients have different topics, and because of this I choose only few topics that are of interest. Let's say one who like memory training and is only interested in sports, then that's what you'll get. Example, if I'm interested in politics, then yeah, I go to politics. To refresh my memory based on politics.
He is a Kenyan politician and the current president of the Republic of Kenya.
Because this chatbot will be used with the dementia patients in Kenya, I'm doing my research in Kenya. Most of the questions will come from a Kenyan perspective. So anyone interested in politics and the dementia patient will be like, can you remember your president? This is in the topic of in this we have several questions based on this topic, and the chatbot.
Correct answer. Click next question for continue, but if you are tired, then click on chit chat.
So let's say, yeah, instead of continuing, or we can do one again, and
which one of them is Kenyan political activist?
This one, let's say we get it wrong.
Wrong answer. Correct answer is Wangari Maathai. Click next question for continue, but if you are tired, then click on chit chat.
So let's check on chit chat, because this way
Let's talk about something to change your mood. Please choose the topic of your choice.
So you can also choose here a topic you like to discuss about, a topic you like to chat about. Let's pick music. I would like to talk about
so you are a music lover. What kind of music you like? Hip-hop, reggae music, soul, soukous, zouk, classical, rock and roll, funk and Europop?
Hip-hop.
Oh, good to know. Which music instrument you like the most? I like guitars because the guitar is the most dominant instrument in Kenyan popular music.
Piano.
Great. What you like about music the most?
The lyrics.
Okay. Who is your favorite singer?
Michael Jackson.
Nice choice. Do you sing?
No, not really.
No.
Yes, so all this information and all this interaction are kept in a dashboard. I've used also Python to create a dashboard view. So this will be my dashboard view. The dashboard view will mostly be used by caregivers to monitor the interaction of the patients on the chatbot. So as the patients are chatting on the chatbot, the caregivers can monitor their interaction. Example here, a caregiver can log in and see. As of now, we have total users in the chatbot. Today only 3 users have registered, and yes, we can see also the list of users and their interaction. Here we have all this collected data, the data that are being collected into a database. This data will help in keeping the memory about every user. The user who is chatting now is Alan. So this information that Alan put will be collected here. Example, today at this time Alan put routine, and there are more information about him. Also, because there are some patients that are not able to register because they are so old and they forget how to even log in and register, caregiver can register them from the chatbot endpoint from this point. Example, I can register Bob, and in the registration of Bob I can pick a number, email, give him a password, HU. How many hours will Bob like to? Maybe 4 hours, 30 minutes training, and how hours a week? 8 hours a week, and then I submit. Whenever I submit this information, it will be stored in this list. So immediately we look at the list of users, we'll find Bob registered here, and when I go to the system I can register as Bob and start using the example. When I come here, refresh the system, reload the system, because all those information have been kept. Hi
there. If you are a new user, then please register by pressing register button. Returning users, click on login.
Because Bob is already registered from the other side by the caregiver, we can just log in.
Fill your username.
So my username is Bob.
Your password, please.
My password is HU. The password is not necessary that it has to be correct, but it helps also the caregiver to know whether they can remember the password. This will help also in knowing the memory deterioration over time.
Thanks, processing details.
So Bob can log
successfully logged in.
Because of
Hi
the
Bob, if you were here first time, then please create a routine by pressing the routine button, otherwise click already done.
Because of the information that is already recorded. When I come to the chatbot, when I come to the dashboard, I am also creating a dashboard where we will be able to see the charts of every users. So this will be here. I'll be creating how many correct answers users get. All this information will be collected and stored in a memory that will help in specializing this chatbot to specific users depending on their likes, choices, and what they like. Yes, so generally that's what my chatbot is all about.